Can you do me a real quick favor, sweetie?
Huh?
Can you do me a really quick favor?
Yeah.
Just run up the road and film me going by
Okay.
for the video.
What's that?
I have my...
She's a photographer. She has to do some quick video for our video.
Oh.
Video.
This is serious business.
We have 2,000 subscribers.
Oh, I
YouTube.
see.
Thank you, Lord.
Hello.
Thank you. Perfect. Now we have our B-roll.